In this video, I'll show you how to write a check for an owner's draw in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can withdraw personal funds while keeping your accounting records accurate and properly categorized. Start by clicking the New button at the top of the dashboard and selecting Check to open the transaction form. Then enter the business owner's name as the payee to clearly identify who received the funds. In the Category Details section, choose an owner's draw or equity account rather than an expense account, because this type of withdrawal should reduce owner equity instead of appearing on the profit and loss report. Enter the exact withdrawal amount, add a short memo for clarity, and include the physical check number or select Print Later if you plan to batch print. Before saving, quickly review the bank account, category, and amount to avoid reconciliation issues later. Once saved, the entry adjusts bank balances and equity correctly without affecting business income totals. Subscribe for simple tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.